Nursery cartoon love journey with Flora. Five ducks in the colors of joy, in a meadow bright where the sunbeams dance. Five little ducks took a whimsical chance, with water guns ready and laughter in tow. They'd splash through the colors, let happiness flow. Quack, quack, cried Dilly with a grin ear to ear, as they filled up their barrels with vibrant cheer. From orange to fuchsia, from blue to bold green, each hue held a magic that shimmered and gleamed. They lined up in formation beneath an old tree, with giggles like ripples on a sparkling sea. The first shot was fired, oh what a sight! A rainbow erupted, oh joy, what delight! Flora spun round as the colors did fly, her feathers transformed into hues of the sky. With each splash of water came echoes of glee. Those five joyful ducks were as happy as can be. Bubbles of laughter danced high on the breeze, while blossoms around them swayed gently with ease. Wally aimed carefully at his brother named Lou, but missed by an inch and soaked Danny instead too. In this festival sacred where all worries cease, the world felt so simple, their hearts found release. For every small droplet that kissed on their skin was a reminder that joy is born deep within. As twilight descended with whispers so sweet, their colors entwined in soft dusk heartbeat. Together they laughed neath the stars shining bright. These five merry ducks brought pure warmth to the night. So if ever you wonder where skies are aglow, remember those five who let good spirits flow. For Holi's not just about pigments or fun, it's love shared through laughter, a bond never done.
This is so much fun!
Nursery cartoon love journey with Flora.